It's getting warmer. Let's do a spring makeup look that's gonna get you out the door in like 5 minutes to enjoy that weather. So something that's really gonna help your makeup look is your prep, okay? So I'm gonna use 4 different things to prep today. I am going to use the Lip Smooth by Senegence. This is the lip scrub. I use this a couple times a week. It's really nice. It's got little like spherical balls in it so it's not really rough on your lips. And it just helps to exfoliate your lips. And it smells like cupcakes. So that's delicious. Okay, once that's done, my next favorite product is the Brightening Multivitamin Treatment. This is to help with dark spots, hyperpigmentation. I've only been using it for a week, but as you can see, I have a lot of scarring from when I had acne when I was younger. So I'm working to slowly diminish that, which is really, really exciting. And I've already seen some really awesome results with it, so yay! It will tingle a little bit. As you can see, my face is getting a little bit red just for a second, but nothing to worry about. That is totally normal. So the next step I'm going to use is the Hydrating Facial Serum Mist. This is a must. If you do not have this product, you need this product. What it does is it draws all of the moisture in from the environment, from your products, and sucks them into your face. Your skin cannot have too much moisture, you guys. So this is amazing. So I'm just gonna spray it like all over my face. You can spray it on before moisturizer, or you can even put it on after your foundation, which is pretty awesome. Love it! And it smells like apple and kale and all that good stuff. Okay, so right before I start my foundation, the final step is the daytime moisturizer. So this has a 15 SPF equivalent mechanical shield. You might be thinking like, what the heck does that mean? It means it's like a t-shirt. So it's not a chemical SPF, it is a mechanical SPF. So it's not gonna break down with the UV rays. It's going to keep you protected until you wash it off. Okay, put that extra on your hand, you might as well. Let's start the makeup. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do to my face is the base. So my favorite thing for summer is getting a little bit of a glow. So what I'm actually gonna mix together is my Cream Beige Anti-Aging Foundation plus a little bit of the Pearlizer. This is the liquid highlight. It is amazing. You get it in a full bottle, just like the foundation, and it's in an airless pump, so you're getting every last drop. So I'm gonna mix them together. It's my favorite thing. You can't glow too much in the summer. You can't. It's not possible. So I put them like that. I mix them together on my hand. And all the foundation is buildable. So like some days I wanna have a little more coverage. Some days I don't really care and I just want something quick. So if you want more, you just let it dry, put a little bit more on. If you want less, you put less on. So just to make that blend a little better, I'm gonna take my little beauty blender and I'm just gonna dab it. Like that. Now, if I wanted more coverage than this, I could do that, but I really want to just get going, so I'm good with this coverage. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is a little bit of blush, because you need to have a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Toasted Rose. It's my favorite. I use it pretty much every day, and you hardly need any. Like, I kid you not, that is all that you need, okay? So I'm just gonna pat that on with my fingers. And that gives me just kind of like a nice little flushed, but not too flushed. Just a nice little flushed look. Okay, shadows. Let's do a quick shadow. We don't want to spend time. We want to get outside, you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to take Mulberry. We only need one. We don't need more than one, right? I'm going to use my finger. Okay, I just put a little bit on. It's very similar in color to the Toasted Rose. You could probably just use the Toasted Rose, but I'm not. I'm using the shadow to show you guys. See, difference? Very natural, but fun. Okay. Now, I lied. I do want to do a little bit of highlight with the pink frost. Sometimes I lie, I'm sorry. I just want to put a little bit up here, just to blend it out. This pink frost is very versatile. I like it. And it's a perfect spring one. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on. This is the Black Brown Eye Sense. It's waterproof. It's gonna stay put and it dries super, super fast. So you just have to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. And I'm just gonna do a really tiny liner. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. It just defines it a little bit. Can you kind of see? Okay. Next up, we're gonna throw some mascara on. I really like brown mascara for just like an everyday kind of thing. It's not too bold. It still gives you some definition, some length to your lashes, and I always curl them. That makes such a difference with your lashes. I'm gonna show you. Look at, makes a big difference, you guys. Curl your lashes. Curl them. Okay, and then I'm just gonna top them with, I'm gonna throw the Lash Sense on the floor. I'm gonna top them with the Brown Lash Sense. Pretty. I rarely put Lash Sense on my bottom lashes, especially if I'm just doing an everyday look, because I don't really feel like I need it, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, so I am gonna add a little more glow because can you glow too much? I don't think so. I'm gonna use the eye illuminator. This is eye cream plus pearlizer. So that pearlizer that we used before in the big pump, this is mixed in with the eye cream. So I just like to put it kind of just on my cheekbones. Okay. Now, last thing, this is something that's a little bit new. I'm not gonna use lipstick today. You're like, what? You're not gonna wear lipstick? I'm not. I'm gonna use Blush Sense, and this is the Cherry Blush Sense, and it's really fun to just use as a lip tint. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger, like hardly any. And I'm just gonna kind of smush it in. Like that. There. Okay, so that is my spring get ready to go quick look. Hopefully you guys learned something new and you realize you don't need brushes and you don't need a ton of time to do a complete makeup look that's gonna get you out the door enjoying the sun. Thanks, and if you liked watching this, hit subscribe. Hit that little red guy down there. I want to see you again, and I have tons of different tutorials that I do all the time. So thanks for watching, and have a great afternoon, or morning, or whenever.